Uba Mayral Bons im MLA ke Nongpo constituency haka sngi shong dorbar senrai ke baar jong ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ulara ke mat halor ke jing ke balamat daki Khynnah pule jong ke skul Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya nyang bari. Uba Mayral Bons im ula ong bakani ke jingjia hakani ke skul kalong ke badai ban perkhat bha kan kta ke kot ke khia jong ki Khynnah pule bat uba Mayral ukun turu shiki bor bahalor jong ke Sorkar ban pentikna bakum kini ki jingjia kim dei shu banjia kinu ki shlem ai jing hikai khamtam habaki kimi ki kpa ki pha yaki khon ban sa bat ban pule la ne ka residential school menteri ke tenat pule puthi ke jella urakam sangma ula jubab bakani ke school haka jing shisha ka dei jong ka Sorkar kemi bat ka Sorkar jella kamden benda satya haka be dei bat ka jing pha yaki marbam ki dawai bat ka henry nakaliang ka Sorkar lingba deputy commissioner Ribhoi district haka ar pnyu tarik naitung arjar ar phulai marsinyo jingtep kala phayo food safety officer jongka district banwat bat bantok kit halor kani jingjia bat kumju ru haka ar tarik nailar arjar ar phulai la pha biang haka sin ka baar ban pet bat bantok kit ya ka bat ka bam menteri ula benrap ru baka tenat pule puthi ke jella kala betha ru ka district school education officer Ribhoi ban pet binya bat ban pentikna bakum kini ki jingjia kinnom jia shu haki weipat ki por ki bandang wan
Tokit DC halor gering wan ki Khynnah school ke JNV nyang bari bayo bamput bat dawai dirpor. So this is the incident that was reported on the 31st of July 2023 from the student of JNV Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya nyang bari Ribhoi district, where it has been reported that student of this particular school, they have been supplied by the school authority the rotten food, uncooked food, unsafe drinking water, expired medicine, and also irregular supply of sanitary pad for the girl student. So the Ministry of Education, Government of India, has established many JNV schools across the country and also within our state also, with an aim to provide education to the remote area as well as to the poor and the downtrodden family. This particular school has served many students, families, and has produced many who have serving in different capacity within the state and outside. Even now, the government of India is focusing on this type of school, like the Eklavya model of residential school, which has been initiated by the central and the state government also. So this issue is serious, where myself personally, I have taken stock of this situation, which falls under my constituency, which is very unfortunate that this thing has happened. My intention to call the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister or the Honorable Minister who will be respond that this thing should not happen again, not only in this particular school, but also in other JNV school across the state and other government-owned educational institution where boys and girls are staying in hostel, where their parents have sent them to get a proper education. After this incident, the question now is that who is responsible? Who will be blamed of this kind of incident that has happened, which greatly affected the health of the student? Whether the school authority, the management, the principal, or the warden, or the mess in charge, or even the supplier of the essential commodities or the medicine or the food items that has been supplied in different JNV schools across the state. All this has to be put in place. Or if there is any irregularities, it needs to be checked from the bottom to the end. So as we know that this educational institution across the state is meant to serve the people, the student, the dream and aspiration of the parents, but not at the cost of their health and security. So those responsible has to be booked, and no one is above the law. And I will urge through you, sir, that this incident that has happened in this particular school should not happen again here and in other part of the school across the state. And the government will ensure that the supply of food items, essential commodities, medicine has to be up to date and to look into this matter. So with this submission, I would like to resume my seat, and I sincerely expect the response from the government. Thank you, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank Sri Mayral Sim, Honorable MLA Nongfo Assembly Constituency, who have raised the calling attention notice under Rule 54 of the Rules of Conduct Business of in this floor of this House, highlighting the issues pertaining to the news clipping who Malfor dated way August 2023 under the caption Pak Toket Udisi Halurka Jing Uzur Ki Khynnah Khynnah Sujen Bniah Bari by Obam put but Dawai their report. That's in connection to this newspaper clipping, may be informed that the JNB school at Nyangbury is a residential school under the administrative control of the central government, and therefore do not avail any assistance, any scheme from the state government. As such, the complaints of the residential students of this particular school has no connection with the PM Pusan. Earlier it was midday meal scheme under the state of Meghalaya. Nevertheless, after observing the visual that appeared in the Batesi TV on the 26/7/2023 under the caption Kem Pangki Khynnah School JNB Nyangbury Ring Mensimda Ka Leo Ritung, immediately on 27 July 2023, the Deputy Commissioner, Deputed Food Safety Officer, Riboy District, Nongpo, and report submitted by Food Safety Officer, Riboy District, along with Executive Magistrate, Riboy District, to collect a sample of water and food for testing and conduct an inquiry on the matter. Thereafter, the sample of water and food collected were sent to the State Food Testing Laboratory, Festre Hills, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong, on the same day for analysis. That's on 2nd August 2023. The Food Safety Officer, Riboy District, was again deputed to conduct surprise checking inspection on the quality of food given to the students of JNB Nyangbury, Riboy District, during dinner time, and to take sample of the same and get it tested, and report has been submitted by Food Safety Officer, and food samples served to the students on that day were collected and sent to Mitra SK Private Limited, Building P48, Dayan Industrial Estate, P Padladanga Road, Kolkata, West Bengal for analysis. That's with regards to water supply. A letter has been forwarded to VHA Department, Riboy District, to prepare an estimate of a deep bore well construction at JNB School, Nyangbury, Riboy District, and deposit work estimate for providing additional water supply at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya School, amounting to Rs 33,86,240, only have been prepared and submitted by the PH Department. The same has been forwarded to JNB Principal, Nyangbury, Riboy District, on onward approval from the competent authority. That's based on the inquiry report. The Deputy Commissioner issued strict instruction to the school principal of the JNB Nyangbury, Riboy District for compliance. Number one, sir, to ensure that only fresh and hygienic food is provided to the students. Number two, to change the cooking utensils and all cooking apparatus, and to maintain hygienic and cleanliness in the kitchen, dining halls, and in the school premises as a whole. Number 3, sir, to ensure safe drinking water to the students and staff of the school. Number 4, that the garbage dumping area should be removed immediately from this present location, which is near the kitchen. And the school was asked to approach the Nongpor Town Committee for safe disposal of waste generated from the school. Number 5, to ensure proper clean and hygienic storage of vegetable, dry ration, and other ingredients. Number 6, to ensure that the drain located at the entrance of the dining hall should be cleaned regularly. That's Education Department has taken serious note on the matter and has instructed the district school education officer district to conduct regular monitoring and supervision on the school, and also to ensure that such incident is not repeated. So many concern has been raised by our honorable member. All has been taken note, and education department is seriously looking in all this aspect. So while expressing my gratitude to honorable members Sri Mayral Bonsim, MLA Nongpo, for raising these relevant issues to the call attention notice, on behalf of the government, I seek the cooperation and support of all the members of this August House to support the approach of the department. Thank you, sir.
Sir?
You may
Yes.
seek one clarification, please.
Yeah, may I know from the Honorable Minister the up-to-date report of that sample taken from the school, be it the food item or the medicine? What is the status of that report?
So the report has been submitted, and going through this report, the government and department has taken all this statement.
Food item, which means it is outdated, that is the fact. The report, what it says.
Going through the report, as I have said, so government has taken due step for all this to address all this.